Looking rough, y'all. I'm gonna get y'all in tune on these door panels we've been dropping. Give y'all some footage of all the different styles. That way y'all know it's official.
Perry been shooting.
Lost a lot to the streets, still in the hustle. A generation when I flush. Let them think it's sweet, like a candy paint. Made me call a D-Town custom. I talk, but they ain't saying nothing. You know it's game on when the hoes out. 10 years in the shit, nigga want some more. Now fuck all that plan and bring all the whips out. Yeah, the cars are closed, the cash in the hoes. Yeah, straight from the bottom like Florida boy. How you hate it, don't know the boy. Yeah, you ain't tryna stand on that pedal, nigga. What the fuck is you winning for? Bitch, run like the devil, nigga. Let me hear how your engine roar. Taking off your frame on T-tops and drops. Propane make your girl faint. Yo, swap right here in the shop. Having old schools for days. Cause in one stop, complete shop. No, I still ain't feeling no shows. But I gotta feel this.
I still gotta do some work. This piece right here gonna all be one piece. A light gonna be up under here. You see the style a little bit. I'm gonna probably change that 6x9 grill to something else with a light maybe. And I made completely new back pieces. And that's where that door handle go, that aftermarket door handle, instead of being right here. I made the back exactly the same. They're really cold for real. Let me see the progress on it. 5 of them door panels up. Bottom piece. Middle section. This all starts at 1. Cut it down, design it. Top section on this one. Fab it up, bond up, fiberglass. Make it one piece. See how the top of these is 2 pieces. Just give you a cleaner look, more work, more money. This will be your finished result.
Perry been shooting.